If you want to know the latest about woman business, join Lucy Imanet Aliyu every Thursday after the 8 p.m. news bulletin and Saturday after the 6:30 news summary. City Woman Talk with Lucy Imanet Aliyu.
Famble, Unakushe and welcome to another edition of City and Woman Talk. Whether you tune from a studio na Radio Mount Oil on FM 107.3. Me where they bring the program Cantona, me na Lucy Imanet Aliyu. Inside the edition of City and Woman Talk, we look at early marriage where can happen to underage pikin them. And our man say when the program officer na Defense for Children been get more for talk about this particular tier we can happen now we community then.
Well, child marriage basically na pikin them where they go into marriage when not 18 years yet, or fully matured, and pikin them way like they betrothed, like somebody born in Pekin, then this guy or this man then at the community where they eye this Pekin, say now this Pekin I want, then sometimes the family member go say, all right, will they give this Pekin to you? When it mature a little bit, now you wife, it will be your wife, or you will be your husband. So now any form of betrothal, wherein somebody go give you in Pekin, for more small say men are way big now you go get them, or somebody go into any marriage arrangement with somebody we not 18 years old, whether boy or girl. Now then kind of situation and we can refer to as child marriage or early marriage. And of course now we also they see the situation of cohabiting, wherein formally married knocking don't take place, or sometimes this person and this pikin don't they undercover, then belle come inside, it go tap to them, or this pikin don't go so wayward, he decide for common also go tap to this bobo or to this mania. Now all the things and they associated as well with child marriage.
Alright, as an organization, una don't they get such cases? Una don't they handle them kind of case there?
Yeah, we get 2 case studies presently, as I can say. But apart from that, we don't get few who don't come up, because the thing is now they try for really break the barriers when it comes to reporting child marriage, because it is something that people we don't see say it's common. So people not be they see the wrong in them, they not be they see the consequences, and they not be they see the need for able for change them. So now only now we don't they see people they report them, and even the beginner say we can go into them either because they don't understand or because they benefit from them. They can also keep a low profile or keep silent about it. But over the past 3 or 4 years, we don't they see some significant changes, wherein the beginners self they come out for can lay complaint on issues of child marriage. Presently, Defense for Children together with National Children's Commission, they take care of 2 cases of child marriage, wherein we get this girl when I 12-year-old we go into marriage, but unfortunately for her, they ask around, then tell her about the then minister, where go to the Ministry of Social Welfare reports this case, and the deputy minister by then Attila be decide for scatter this marriage. And at the end of the day, this girl, we are proud to say she's going to school and she's doing well, significantly well, and they don't move back to her parents them. We don't build the capacity of the parents them for make them able to understand the consequences of child marriage and make them know say yes indeed it was wrong, and no matter the situation, because they say money no be there and all that kind of stuff, then they that make them push them picking into marriage, and number one let the picking well, because when you get fine young beautiful girl when they come up, certain traditions and customs and religions and tribes then believe say then pikia if you send them go na marry those early go prevent them from making them not get belle out of wedlock, we go bring shame to them community. But we don't try for build the capacity of them parents there for make them understand say it was wrong, and now then self don't team up behind them picking them, and they can say they do significantly well. They're in a senior school right now, and we self can say we are proud of the young girls there where they grow up for become, and we can sit down and think about and say if they be left at that married those day now people wait for can develop Sierra Leone before don't they na homicide in the waste at the end of the day, not before able for raise the baby properly because they don't understand, they don't get the capacity, and they before end up for people who knows sometimes get complication at birth, or at the end of the day the man will decide for go return them back to their parents, and they no go get the opportunity for go back na school. So we get 2 case studies where in married don scatter and the pikin dey go school, they do well, and their families and they support them, even though the family, this closer community and family, they frown at this kind of thing where the married be scatter. But we get the support of the pikin for letting themselves understand, say yes, we are supposed to wait until we are 18. So no matter waiting people and say this married will not they go into that anymore, we'll go back to our parents and go live with them, go back na school, complete with school, and when we get mature, we can choose a husband for ourselves.
Alright, this not thing where they happen at the a societal thing, and people are so okay with them, and people know they come forward with them kind of things. People like hardly talk about them even. So how we don't try, like for sensitize people them, but for create awareness about this thing also.
We dey discuss them every day, and like I say, the issue of child marriage is sensitive, just like FGM Bondo. When you talk about child marriage, you need for understand the factors, and you need for understand the origins and the root causes. As I be they say to you just now, people they say they give out them pikin them early for marriage because they not want to let them pikin them get belle out of wedlock. People they also give out them pikin them for marriage for some people because they don't have the opportunity to take care of them. People they give out them pikin them for marriage because they believe say in their typical traditional setting, it is an opportunity for let your family get lineage for become leaders, community leaders. Like for instance, if you pikin go marriage into the house of a chief, so if you born pikin inside it, then that lineage can continue. That means owner self will able for be ruler in that particular community. So because of them different reasons there are, for some people it's a religion. That way you got pikin don mature, you got pikin don full grow, they finally get to man for marriage, because at the end of the day, if you left him, you go and sleep around, you get pregnant, now seen to yourself as family member. Some religions and some tribes believe that they as well. So for change, all of these origins then contributing factors there, they take time. So it take with time as Defense for Children through with JA project and other projects that they implement for make we able for really understand waiting at the reason why make people and they give them picking the early for marriage. Now only now we don't begin understand the factors there. Because before now would be just to say, oh now poverty. But now we don't able to understand say beyond poverty, people and they try for prevent the issue of adultery. They try for prevent the issue of them picking and getting pregnant out of wedlock. They try for make sure say themselves get social status in the community, and all of the reasons here they contribute. So now what will they do now for able for shift the people then traditions and origins they are try for shift and change their perception that there are other ways that you can protect your child from not getting pregnant instead of giving her to a man to marry early. There are other ways that you can also assume leadership in your community without actually giving your 15 or 13 or 14-year-old girl to a chief to marry just because you want her for born picking inside a particular family day, forget her household name. So now they try for really talk to the family members and make them understand say there are other options that you can use to protect. Because for instance, like the one when at for protect a girl picking, it sounds very positive. Because I don't want to make pikin go get belle out of wedlock and they get to marriage. The marriage of itself wrong. So now what will they do now for able for make them understand say without give girl pikin to man for marriage, you can still able for protect her. You can still able for building life skills and keep her safe, and at the end of the day not get pregnant. They're not still gonna marry those way them not reach it. And of course make them able for understand waiting at the consequences of early marriage. Like waiting go be the pikin, the repercussions if you pikin go na marry those early, the health issues, the social issues, the fact that the pikin no go able forget any progress, any prospect for make it become a better citizen tomorrow, because the pikin no go na marry those you expect them for take care of the baby and go back school. It's so difficult. The pikin go na marry those at the end of the day, if she gets pregnant and you want for give birth, if in biological makeup, in sexual reproductive organs, they are not ready. Now, the issues of fistula, they come in, complication at childbirth, they come in, maternal mortality, infant mortality, all of those things. So we get them to understand that, yes, these your origins that you hold, that you think are the things that are pushing you for like give out to pikin for marriage, they can change. You can shift your focus to other protective measures and you need to understand the consequences that comes with child marriage. So it's slow, but with time and also gradually we will make people able to understand better, for make them able to know say this is wrong and we need for able to shift the ways of protecting we picking them and also understand the consequences.
Alright, so again, like any laws them way they concerning early marriage?
Yes, there are laws. So presently, Sierra Leone gets several laws where they protect, where they talk on child marriage. You get the customary and the Customary Registration and Divorce Act, and you get the Child Rights Act, and I think you get the Mohammedan law. So the Registration of Customary Marriage and Divorce Act, now one of the laws them where they speak on child marriage. Inside that particular law, they tell you say, if the girl pikin old 16 years and im parents then consent, or the head, like the council head of that community consent, that pikin can go into marriage. Especially in parents, if in parents and consent say yes indeed, you good to go. Once you done 16 years, your parents can consent for let you marry. Then you get the Child Rights Act. The Child Rights Act it say 18. It say what's this speaking, whether boy or girl not 18 years yet, nobody know for married her, nobody know for can put cola for her, nobody know for can say this na me wife for this na me man, for example. Yeah. So you get in laws there, and now wait till they see now that then laws there they conflict themselves.
Yeah.
This one they say 16, the other one they say 18. So at the end of the day, anybody can use any of them laws there to their advantage. Yeah, somebody could go marry pikin when at 16 years, go find lawyer where they can represent an court. Then when the lawyer come, he go talk and say yes, there is a law where they show say if the pikin of 16 years, then most times when the parents willingly can agree for make the pikin them go into, the parents agree. So now that make the pikin married. So at the end of the day, na both case for we. And also the pikin will get for suffer another marriages. So what we don't do right now for push government for make them harmonize them two laws there. The whole of 2018, during the term where and the then Attorney General Bide work on for see how the Law Reform Commission together with civil society like DCI, Plan, Save the Children, UNICEF, they all work together for put together key recommendation so that they go harmonize them two laws there for make it speak one language. When we say 18, it is 18 years. So because of the election and because of the change of government, so that process they be stuck. But right now we don't also go meet social welfare, and social welfare don't decide for facilitate and fast track this process back. So we hope say by the end of this year, the recommendation that we don't send to the law officers department for let them draft a new law on child marriage where they harmonize then two laws there. Then go able for draft time and then go able for send that draft in a parliament for make them discuss them so that we will get a new bill where they prohibit child marriage. And that new bill then now not they talk about 16 or 18 again, they talk about one age when are 18 years old they push for. So presently there are laws, but then two laws then they conflict themselves. Anybody can use stand it to their advantage. So now that make now we advocacy now for push really for law get a new law where they prohibit child marriage.
But so far, how not don't they see the cases or issues of child marriage around the communities?
Well, it's popular, it happen, and the good thing is, even though people is still keep am quiet, but some people still they observe them, and they give intel to the police and to organizations, civil society organizations. So at the end of the day, what can normally happen now that where they say this pikin in mama wan give or in papa wan give am to man for marriage, somebody go call the police or you go contact DCI or any other organization, for example. Say, hey, we don't say this pikin man, in papa wan give am to man for marriage or in mama wan give am to man for marriage una come. Then we can go there, the police then can go there and scatter the marriage and we can follow up for see how the situation they go. So even though I must say we need to receive their intel there a lot, but we don't they get then calls and then concerns and they want to they respond to. So they really hope say with time people then will really get the confidence for able for they really report issues of child marriage. Because we know say sometimes some people can do them quietly because the pikin self can want them, they can grieve for them. So it can difficult for let people really tell say marriage to go on at this particular location. But also the pikin no can want them, they can able for pinch them company and the company can report them to an organization or to the ministry or to police, then they can able for react on or respond to her appropriately.
If you want to know the latest about woman business, join City and Woman Talk.
Na alle married and where then they make her they do work and they not put me school. Then they sell me back outside when I Guinea. So I did there. So then they try back for do the alle married. So the nearby big effect from the terror family inside the school.
What are the minutes to you?
Now, like one old man who don't carry age.
That's what I believe too.
Yeah, 9 say friend me now with 3. The twin they call me bien. They say friend we. So now I made from baby and pick you up come out. They call a children come and go and can do all married to me. So in do I mama no be wow than they happen. So in the do not treat max in mama pull and for me and left fine back the do not le don't for me. So now then they do the nearby back never fit for me. So they the eye died me. The sorry the eye died me. I not still save this. So I not save accommodate. I come to one help away the fate human rights. Going back with the shots for me, where they tell and say, not picking no get safe side it. Inside me, the family tell me say they don't get some parents. They say I pray not picking go cancel me. So the other day will come and take me and go talk to the family where they give me Torah. They don't give me Torah now. I get Torah, but the man who do the marriage is still a threatening and say go kill her and run away if he not come up behind me. Tell the man back, the friend not threatening there, and still we talk with the family. The mommy back no big problem where they be talk to her. So the picking now be the make pin with threatening. Tell the man give me to neighbor because him man an officer. He give me to neighbor for where he can never meet to a woman for where he might take care of me, put me school. Say 9 they say before that they be happy. The poor man a police, he will know his statement in the do before he take me. So I did to the neighbor, the man no do the marriage, they go post the neighbor there, sleep no there. So they hide me from the back. Money time, police then can the also come out account to the man where the fake human rights. Police then come on, now people then there, now family there. In be saying that the man who married me sister in Pikin, I'm born. In small brother in Pikin, I'm born, I'm married. He acts like you know mommy, but na 18 years. So when married, the mama give me to her, I begin do for her work there at the cell. So now that they do for her, but the man who married me, when no saying picking a day to her, and begin candle back. While seeing the candle, the can't in the back, now accommodate. I want cancer man the fate to my right. So the car don't can the family they say I don't want come today and what come today and they not do me nothing. But then we make small fan market na gold soup like where I sell the gold soup. I don't sell reach 5 or 15. So now I take the place they call Island outside the man where the fate to my right. Now they in there. Name Kimbalani. So I take now money there, pay transport. I reach now the place. I don't see the man monitor and take me to the family there. So now man they look for me now. We go statement say I take money, I come on my house. So the officer come for all me to the neighbor there. When now man on the fed to my right left me to. So when can the neighbor they say well I when me back be like for happy for see officer and explain their how to are the suffering. So when I see the police there, the neighbor they afraid. They say well I. So me say for watch for go bless there for what I go explain the how I the suffer. Why I go they all me say I be there na this family I take money I go there. Say na neighbor come explain. So me back they ask me how to I don't go suffering. So I explain give they begin tracing. say they catch the man in mama, even the man with him brother. Him brother abuse me, him brother in a boy he send me. So he woman for where you man go hide me. Now he say na help. So me back do for a favor. So he said forget that with me before he send me go. I go suffer there, I dey do work, they not put me in school. So now then when you not say brother be don't sell me, give me. So in picking me follow me, the one send me go, now he save me life inside. The man who married me sell me. Because what they say police go no for not married, they married me. So now I'm back, don't see say no you go make me be woman. So when they sell me, when get the money when they don't marry me for. So give me when send me back. I go there they abuse me too much. So what
They get that.
no, I the sell. I need go school, I do hard work. Then when they send me, they send that to my parents. So I can't get questions sent to me mommy and that too. So me back the tower say I want go to mama. Then they tell me what need do work at the vex. Then they tell me say me not do work. Then they beat them. They will beat me. They do anything. So me back decide safe. They not give me to me political parents. I not go no side. I not do for them. Not why it's on. Then the time you go no side. I not do what can eat. So the eat I not eat. Small food there per plate. The small bobo can give me. What the eat are the big one can kick up on me. So when can kick up on me, the fetting can't tell mama say, whoa feta, you stick. Now mama can say, you beat me because stick. I will beat it, I'll kill you. So the man who send me, the small brother and gang picking, now he save me, make me run away. So all don't can salon, now then papa, him back do the same, get that with me, send me na go.
Someone says we all this there.
Not there for the married that be there 8 years of age.
8 years?
Yeah, Guinea, now that I got 12 years. I don't count Don Bosco, that this I don't feel 40. My mommy now herself back a cancer there. Because like when they do interview, now you get say there, himself don't count. My daddy and not Sabia.
Well, family, now City and Woman Talk go left for today. If you miss half of the program or the whole program, you can join me Saturday morning after the 6:30 news for a repeat broadcast. Me will bring the program Cantona, me and Lucy Manet Aliyu. So till next week, tata.
If you want to know the latest about woman business, join Lucy Manet Aliyu every Thursday after the 8 p.m. news bulletin and Saturday after the 6:30 news summary. City Woman Talk with Lucy Manet Aliyu.